Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the health system in India has three main links, that is central, state and local or peripheral. At the central, the office organ of the health system at the national level consists of first the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next is the Directorate General of Health Service and the Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. These are the organs of the central system. Next is the Union Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare. Their organization. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is headed by a cabinet minister, a minister of state, and a deputy health minister. These are the political appointments. At the center, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare organization, the cabinet minister, the cabinet ministers are the minister of the state and deputy health minister, Department of Health. There are the secretary to the Government of India, joint secretaries, deputy secretaries and large administrative staff. Department of Family Welfare, there are the Secretary to the Government of India, Additional Secretary and the Commissioner, Joint Secretaries. Next is the currently the Union Health Minister has the following department. First is the Department of Health and Department of Family Welfare. The health department deals with the planning, coordination, there are the programming, evaluation of medical and public health matters, including the drug control and prevention of the food adulteration. The Department of Family Welfare deals with the family welfare matters. The functions of Union Health Ministry constitutes under the Union List, Concurrent List. Functions of the Union List. First is the international health relation and the administration of port quarantine, administration of the central institution. Third is the promotion of research through research center and other bodies. Fourth is the regulation and development of the medical, pharmaceutical, dental and nursing professions. And fifth is the establishment and maintenance of the drug standard. And sixth is the census and collection and publication of other statistical data. Seventh, there are the next functions: immigration and the emigration, regulation of labor in the working of mine and oil fields, coordination with the state and with other ministries for promotion of health. There are the concurrent lists and their function. So in today's class, we discuss about the currently Union Health Minister and also about the Department of Health and Department of Family Welfare and also about the Union List and their functions. Thank you for watching.